Hi everyone, in this video I will show you a Gitbook tutorial for beginners. So first, go to the gitbook.com and sign up with your Google account or GitHub account. After you choose an account, you will be directed here. Here, as you can see, you have to name your site. I will just name it like this one, Lawrence Organization. Click on next step, and there here you can pick your starting content, sample content or no content. Let's start with a demo site and get a feel for what's possible. Click on next step. Now you have to choose your site features. Me, I'll just go with basic one, but if you want a premium one, you can subscribe to it with $79 per month. Let's just go with basic one. Click on next step. Now, if we're ready to publish, you can click on publish now or publish later. For now, I will input publish later. Then click on create site. Wait for it to load up. It would take a little while, so just be patient. And there you go. Here is the organization that I've created. Here you can see Lawrence Organization or it is basic site. Here you can go to home and you will see a bunch of things like to publish your site, learn Gitbook. You can learn it by clicking on these ones, adding content to your site, branding your doc site, and changing audience settings. You can make Gitbook more powerful with these apps or Google Analytics, Intercom, Hotjar, Plausible, and Segment. Now to dive deeper, you have a tutorials here on demand webinars, sync your docs with Git. Next, we have the doc site. If you want to publish your documentation to a specific group of users or to the world, you can create a doc site and add the space or spaces you needed. Now to add a new site or a new doc site, click this new site. After that, you will go through again with what we've go through on the beginning. Now on the integration. You can see here a featured for your team, the Google Analytics and Intercom. Basically, you have here all the other apps. Now, let's go back to our organization. So this is the documentation, or I would rather say doc site that I've created. That's how you create a doc site. To publish it, click on this publish button. And that's basically it.